Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Asad Yaqub and I am from Lahore, Pakistan, and once again I welcome you to my prediction video. This is the prediction for 4th January 2020 Ielts exam. Happy New Year, guys. Okay, 2020 is ahead of us. So I really welcome you to 2020 and basically, I wish you all the best in New Year. So happy New Year, and this New Year test is going to bring something new for you. So guys, let's take a start. This is academic only Ielts test. There is no gender training, it's just academic. So we'll start with listening. Let me tell you, as it is the first test of 2020, Ielts people have no concern with that. Right? So let me tell you, as far as prediction is concerned, it's not that because it's the first test of 2020, so it's going to be easy, it's going to be simple. They don't care about these type of things, and by the way, they have some set tests already, so they can play any test for you. So it's basically, this is not the thing that just because of the New Year test is going to be easy or test is going to be difficult. That's not the case. Now, let's talk about listening. As far as listening is concerned, it is going to be moderate. I wouldn't call it difficult or easy. It's going to be moderate. And in listening section 1, again as usual, they are going to give you sentence completion. In section 2, there are two things. Either it can be a map or they might start with multiple choice questions. So you need to be ready for that. Along with multiple choice questions, there can be some, out of 3 you got to select one option, or out of 5 you got to select 2 options, or there can be a map as well. So map, multiple choice, these questions are important for section 2. As far as listening section 3 is concerned, there are going to be multiple choice questions in academic Ielts listening, as it is academic test only, that's why. Otherwise listening is same. So there are going to be multiple choice questions, and along with that there can be 2 to 3 questions which are of matching. So multiple choice and matching, they are important for section 3. You need to give enough, you need to take enough practice of these type of questions. Then section 4. Section 4 is for one word only. So if the test goes according to the plan, according to the style of the test, then section 4 is for one word only. There's going to be a complete lecture. But otherwise, along with one word only means sentence completion, there can be a couple of questions from multiple choice, but otherwise, according to my perception, actually, my perception is based on my experience, so it's going to be one word only. And listening is going to be moderate, and it's not, Ielts people do not care whether this is the first test of 2020, and that's why it's going to be easier. They don't care about that, okay? They don't even consider that. Now, let's move on to reading. I would say reading would also be moderate. I wouldn't say reading is going to be very difficult, very tough, and it's not going to be very easy as well. By the way, reading has never been so easy. Okay, so it's either moderate or difficult or extremely difficult. So this time it's going to be moderate. Let me tell you, what do I mean by moderate? Moderate means a couple of passages are going to be fine, and they're going to be like, you can manage them, or they can be one passage or a certain type of questions which can be quite confusing. So that's why very recently I uploaded many videos on Ielts reading. You must go through those videos. Let me tell you, in reading section 1, there are going to be completion type of questions along with true, false, not given. So it's going to be completion, true, false, not given, or short answer question for section 1. As far as section 2 is concerned, because it is only academic test on 4th January, in section 2 there can be multiple choice, matching, okay, and you will have to select some options, like out of 6 options, you will have to select 3 options, these type of questions, and there can be list of headings. Now, I'm not sure whether it's going to be in section 1, section 2 or section 3, but there must be list of headings somewhere, right? As far as section 3 is concerned, in section 3, the main type of questions, they are yes, no, not given, or maybe true, false, not given. Along with that, sentence completion type of questions, then there can be multiple choice questions, and then there can be matching type of questions for academic reading section 3 for 4th January test. So overall, the test is going to be moderate. Now, let's talk about writing. Okay, for writing, because IELTS test is conducted all over the world and they have a variety of tests which they actually use. So I think on 4th of January, as far as writing is concerned, there's going to be some graphic information. Because last time they gave some sort of diagrams, process diagrams and maps, but this time mainly chances are for graphic information, and for graphic information there can be a bar chart, pie chart, flow chart, table and pie chart, right? Bar chart and pie chart. So there can be a combination as well. So you need to pay some special attention to this type of information, but do not completely ignore maps and process diagrams. There can be, somewhere, somehow, there can be these type of questions as well, because IDP, British Council and some local bodies are conducting IELTS tests. So it can be like that as well. As far as essay writing is concerned, now guys, they are quite unpredictable. Because previously they were giving opinion essays, discussion essays, then they started off with advantages, disadvantages, double question. So I think it's either going to be a double question essay, otherwise it will be opinion discussion. So in double question essay, there are 2 questions and you have to answer these 2 questions in 2 paragraphs. And otherwise, if it is opinion or discussion, you know about opinion essay, you know about discussion essay, my videos are available. So you need to pay special attention to opinion, discussion and double question essay. But anyways, let's see, don't ignore advantages, disadvantages and problem solution too, because at least you should be familiar with every type of essays. And another thing, you should know in case of emergency, if there is another type of essay which you don't even know, you should know how to write the essay on that topic and that type as well. So guys, that's all. And as far as the cue cards are concerned, they are the same cue cards they are using. My students informed me, but let's see in January 2020 if they use any new cue cards. Definitely I'll let you know about that. So that's all guys. Thank you very much indeed. I truly wish you all the best. Those who are planning to take their IELTS test on 4th January, all the best with that. Work hard. Prepare your reading very well. Watch my latest videos on reading. Do a lot of listening practice. Okay. The books I recommend, they are the same: IELTS Trainer, Official Guide to IELTS. Then book number 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Cambridge IELTS books. 9 to 14. They are the latest one. So I recommend all these books. And I truly wish you all the best. If you like this video, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. I have another channel, Asad Yaqub Vlogs. You can subscribe to that as well. And I have a Facebook page, Asad Yaqub IELTS. You must like my Facebook page as well. Well, all the best. I teach IELTS online. If you want to join my online IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given and you can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you all the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.